In this video, I'll show you how to view, liked, or following pages on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook account, right? It's a Facebook account. Click on your account. Scroll down, click on the security and privacy. Click on the activity log, right? Click on this, your Facebook activity. Right now, if you scroll down, at first you're gonna see the page you liked, right? So click on the pages. Then if you click on these pages, right, you're gonna see Emmanuel Jack likes Brain Jotter, right? So yeah, and if you click on this profile, if you click on it, you can actually see I'm following this, right? You can see I'm following this profile. So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'll see you all in the very next video.